General properties of nucleus. First one, nuclear size. According to Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment, the distance of the closest approach of alpha particle to the nucleus was taken as a measure of nuclear radius, which is approximately 10 to the power minus 15 meter. If the nucleus is assumed to be spherical, an empirical relation is found to hold good between the radius of the nucleus capital R and its mass number capital A. It is given by capital R is directly proportional to A raised to power 1 by 3, or capital R is equals to R naught A raised to power 1 by 3, where R naught is the constant of proportionality and is equals to 1.3 Fermi. 1 Fermi capital F is equals to 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. Second point, nuclear density. Nuclear density rho n can be calculated from the mass and size of the nucleus. So, nuclear density rho n is equals to nuclear mass upon nuclear volume. Nuclear mass is equals to A into Mn, where A is mass number and Mn is mass of one nucleon. That one is equals to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So, nuclear volume is equals to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. That one is equals to 4 by 3 pi into R naught into A raised to power 1 by 3's whole cube. Or we can write it rho n is equals to, that is nuclear density, is equals to Amn upon 4 by 3 pi R naught into A raised to power 1 by 3's whole cube. That one is equals to Mn upon 4 by 3 pi R naught cube. Substituting the known values, the nuclear density is equals to 1.816 into 10 to the power 17 kg per meter cube, which is almost a constant for all the nuclei irrespective of its size. The high value of the nuclear density shows that the nuclear matter is an extremely compressed state. Third one, nuclear charge. The charge of a nucleus is due to the protons present in it. Each proton has a positive charge equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So, the nuclear charge is Z into E, where Z is equal to the atomic number. Fourth point, nuclear mass. As the nucleus contains protons and neutrons, the mass of nucleus is assumed to be the mass of its constituents. Assumed nuclear mass is equals to Zmp plus Nmn, where Mp and Mn are the mass of proton and mass of neutron respectively. However, from the measurement of mass by mass spectrometer, it is found that the mass of a stable nucleus small m is less than the total mass of the nucleons. That is, mass of nucleus small m is less than Z into Mp plus N into Mn. That one is Zmp plus N into Mn minus small m. That one is equals to delta m, where delta m is the mass defect. Thus, the difference in the total mass of the nucleon, and the actual mass of the nucleus is known as the mass defect, and that is denoted by delta M. Note: in any mass spectrometer, it is possible to determine only the mass of the atom, which includes the mass of jet electrons. If capital M represents the mass of the atom, then the mass defect can be written as delta small m is equals to Z into Mp plus capital N into Mn plus Z into Me minus capital M, or can be written as delta M is equals to ZMH plus N into Mn minus capital M, where MH represent the mass of one hydrogen atom.